All right, guys, the moment you've been waiting for. The engine, the 1641, is back. Fresh rebuilt. Daniel grabbed the engine for me, so we used this truck, and we're gonna go ahead and start working on this tomorrow. Put the transmission in, get the engine in. I'll get it run a little bit. I'm gonna take it back over to Eric's, and we're gonna go ahead and fine tune it. Got to get some new wires for it, spark plug wires, and I don't know, Daniel, what do you think? Anything else?
Looking good. Can't wait to hear it running.
Yeah. Got heater boxes on here. I'm gonna put the bus exhaust back on it. Mustache bar. I got. Yeah. So that's where we're at. So I'll keep you guys posted tomorrow. Install day. See you guys next time. Oh, I didn't get you gloves,
Whoa,
Daniel.
what's up with that?
Wow, I didn't get Daniel
no
gloves.
glove, no love.
Wow.
Where's
All
your
right,
gloves
I gotta get
at?
him some gloves.
They're extra small
Wow,
too.
full gloves. You know, you can... Oh, goodness.
Yeah, I'll use it if I can get this thing on.
Doctor.
See if I can move this over a little. Oh yeah. Oh man, why is this so heavy? Is this good for your back?
No.
Oh. Oh god, I moved the thing. Oh. Oh. Man. Is this even gonna shut?
Yeah.
Oh.
I think you're clear.
Look at that.
Yep, perfect.
Good.
Wow. You're clear.
Look at that. Jeez, what do we got back here?
Throw all that stuff away.
Oh goodness, we're gonna hit the trash can. Hold on. This goes in through the door.